So the first word is customer, and then that next word is success. I am here with Damian Carey. Damian, I need to read your title. This is a big title. Chief Digital Officer of Customer Success Services. And we're unlocking the future of work and AI. Thanks for being with me today.
It's a pleasure, thank you.
So Damian and I are gonna have some fun. He promised me he's gonna match my energy. Yes or yes?
Absolutely.
Okay, fantastic. Okay, so first question. AI is transforming businesses everywhere. And I want to talk about how Oracle is equipping people with skills and what sets Oracle's AI learning programs apart from the rest.
Well, firstly, we have, Kay, a very deep and extensive, comprehensive library of AI learning content, which has pathways for all sorts of job roles, from data scientists to administrators, programmers, all sorts of job roles. And we provide that deep learning content across multi-cloud, across fusion applications, embedded AI learning, across industries. So all sorts of learning capability that exists for all these job roles. And the most important thing is that it's not just academic learning content. So we provide labs and applied learning so that customers and our partners and also Oracle employees can build agents at the speed of AI.
Building agents at the speed of AI. Can we have a truth moment? So this isn't my best parenting moment, but the first AI certification that I had, Oracle AI Foundations. I took it about 3 years ago. And then my husband, who's at Goldman Sachs, took that same AI Foundation certification. And the thing that I loved about it wasn't just about what Oracle can offer, but about AI holistically. And then I turned off the Wi-Fi at my house to make sure that my sons also got that same AI Foundation certification. I think it's crucial for certification in this age. Can you talk to us about why being certified is so important? And then just make me feel better about being that kind of mom who doesn't allow their kids to have Wi-Fi.
Kay, I'm very impressed, and I think I'm going to have to take some of your parenting advice and do the same, turn off the Wi-Fi.
It works.
It works, great. But I think certification is a really interesting question because it's not a new concept. But in this age of AI, where everything is changing so fast in every industry, right? Doesn't matter whether you're in banking or finance or pharmaceuticals, transportation, every industry is transforming. And so I think there are three key reasons why certification is critical, and it's the 3 C's.
The 3 C's, okay, let's get ready.
It's about competence, it's about currency, and it's about being competitive. And so I think with things changing so fast, staying current is really key. And then the importance of competence, being able to demonstrate your ability to understand concepts and apply them in the real world is key as well. So I think it's a badge that demonstrates your ability. And then thirdly, being competitive in the marketplace to demonstrate that competence is also really key. So much so that we've had a great deal of success with certification in our own organization at Oracle. And we have over 3 million people certified worldwide on Oracle technologies, now mostly in cloud.
3 million people certified in Oracle technologies, and 4 of those people are in my family.
Yes, and I won't do the math on that. So.
Okay, so Damian, tell me, if someone is getting ready to start their learning journey, what can they expect?
Well, we've tried to make it as easy as possible for our customers to access learning. So we provide all of our learning on a digital model, and we have an application we call Oracle MyLearn. It's a learning experience platform. But what we've also done is we've brought the lab experience, the hands-on labs, into that learning process. We've also made certification available in the platform, and it's quite unique in the industry. So you can learn, you can apply your learning in a hands-on lab, and then get certified, all in the same space. And I think that's really, really important from the learning experience perspective. But we also provide access to our learning professionals so they can engage with them. And we have 2.7 million people on our learning community.
You've got some big numbers. I mean, these aren't small numbers.
Oh, it goes with a big title, Kay. So
The big title, I told you.
So yeah, so we make it fun, we make it engaging, and we make it really easy to learn, and we keep our learning content up to date and current.
I love that. So if someone is trying to get started right now, I may or may not recommend that you start with the AI Foundation certifications, because certainly that's where I started my AI learning journey. I don't know where you started yours. Can you share where you started your journey and what someone would do right now?
Yeah, I think the AI Foundations is a great place to start, and I also started my journey there. But I think for the customers here and our partners at the AI World Conference, they've got access now to free AI training and certification that will be available to them until December the 15th. So, to develop your own career, to improve your competence in the cloud and with AI, I'd recommend taking that training and certification in the next couple of months.
Can I take that too?
Absolutely. Open to all employees as well, Kay.
So I started working on the AI agent one because you said that we should all be building our AI agents. So that's one that I'm going to finish on the plane ride back home. But I want to dive into this whole concept of hands-on learning. Because for me, right, what do they call it? An experiential learner. So you can talk at me all day long. I'll say, yes, Damian with the big title. Got it. I need to actually do. And with AI, so much of the learning, so much of the experience in actually building out the solutions. Talk to me about this hands-on learning a little bit more and how customers can get engaged with that.
Well, all they need to do is register. So it's a very straightforward process. You can access oracle.com and go to the learning site and access online and register. And you'll be provisioned immediately with an account to start your learning process, and then you can also register for certification in parallel. And so it's all there, it's all available, and we spin up environments so that you can get access to the AI models and you can actually deploy and build AI agents in the labs.
And wait, do I have to give my credit card for that?
No credit card, all freely available for our, as I said, for our attendees here. Those that are watching at home and weren't able to make it, we've also made special provision. We have a race to certification currently underway where we've trained and certified over 850,000 people in the last three months. And that promotion goes till the 31st of October. So that's freely available, and that's also open to any of the viewers at home.
This is fantastic. So, Damian, any final thoughts for those who are, this sounds interesting, but I don't really think I need AI certification to keep going. Any final thoughts?
Well, I just think with all the change that's going on in the world at the moment and with AI, now's the time. Now's the time to act. I think it's important in life to be a lifelong learner. And so jump on board, lean in, get trained and certified in Oracle AI in all of its dimensions.
Viewers, if you're watching, here's what I want you to do. I want you to go to oracle.com, and the Race to Certification program goes on till October 31st. We're going to throw it back to Fritz and Shauna. Damian, you matched my energy today. Nice. I like it.
Thank you, Kay. Pleasure.